Here's how to fix keyboard not working issues on Windows. Start with the obvious stuff. Unplug your keyboard and plug it back in. I know it sounds dumb, but it works more often than you'd think. Try a different USB port too, because sometimes ports just die on you. If that doesn't work, let's check Device Manager. Right-click that Start button and open it up. Find the Keyboard section, expand it, and look for your device. Right-click your keyboard and hit Update Driver. Pick the automatic search option and let Windows do its thing. If Driver Update didn't help, then here's what to do next. Right-click that same keyboard entry and uninstall the whole thing. Restart your computer and Windows will put the driver back automatically, except this time it'll be clean. Here's something that catches people off guard. Windows has this thing called filter keys that can make your keyboard act like it's broken when it's really not. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Keyboard. Make sure filter keys is off. This feature is supposed to help people who hit keys too fast, but it ends up making normal typing feel laggy and weird. If you got a wireless keyboard, then batteries are usually the culprit. Swap them out even if they seem fine. Also, check that little USB receiver thing. Push it in tight and maybe move it to a front USB port. The signal works better when the receiver isn't buried in the back of your computer. To test if your keyboard is actually dead, then test it on another computer. This tells you real quick if you're dealing with a Windows problem or if your keyboard decided to quit on you. If you need to keep working while you figure this out, then Windows has an on-screen keyboard hiding in the same accessibility section. Turn it on and you can click letters with your mouse. Not ideal, but it gets the job done.